Oh yeah. This is the, I guess we'll call it the center reactor, center hub, where probably some of the battle is going to go on. So we got like a base over there, and then we have a base in this corner, and this is like right in the middle of both bases. So there's gonna be a ramp here. There's a ramp there, there's gonna be a window there, there's gonna be a window there. So they'll be able to like hide here, shoot, but maybe also get shot from over there. Thank you. All kind of random things. Just wanted like a little bit of an elevation change. It's not much. We couldn't go too high because ADA requires for every inch and rise, you gotta go 12 inches and run. So 6 inches up means 6 feet out. So we're about 4.5, 5 inches up and 5 feet out. H2O. The water boy will be happy for me there. Oh, excuse me. So, we're gonna build our window. How high do you think our window should be? I wanna say here, but you get a little kid, he's still not gonna be able to see over it, right? So high, how high, Jaden? I would use my son, but he's no longer a little kid anymore. I said I'd use you, but you're no longer a little kid anymore. What do you think, 3 foot for the little kids?
Yeah.
Jaden, come over here and get on your knees. Yeah, there you go. There's a little kid walking. Okay, 3 foot. Oh, you want to see the lights I added? We got some black light underneath there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously there's going to be a lot more black light in the building, but we added that under there. I think it's pretty cool. Maybe someday we'll add some fog, so some fog's pouring out of there. What do you think, Carson? It's definitely not coming along as fast as I want, but we're getting there. After this is built, that might be the motivation to get it done. You know what I mean? I'm tired. I'm tired.